So we speak about the accounting solution we implement in Eurocopter since for 3 years. 70% of parts of helicopters are from our suppliers. They send more than 400,000 invoices to Eurocopter France, Eurocopter Deutschland, and Eurocopter Spain. In the past, we received supplier invoices, but we have problems when we want to integrate invoices in the system. For the paper reception of invoices, the manual typing generates errors, payment delay for our suppliers, and waste of time for Eurocopter. In 2009, a French law imposed us to reduce our payment terms and to pay our suppliers in 60 days maximum. At the same time, Eurocopter wishes to improve our supplier relationship by improving some processes associated to purchase to pay. In parallel, the accounting department of Eurocopter France and Deutschland move in Spain on the shared services to capitalize time, money, and to harmonize processes. We improve our accounting solution, accounting department in 2 steps. The first step was to develop a tool inside SAP to account, to book, and to pay invoices automatically. This tool compares invoicing data to purchase order data and good reception associated. If all data are okay, payment will be done automatically without manual interventions. If data are not compliant between PO, invoices, receptions, this tool will allow to send a workflow message to the person in charge of the resolution. If you have a price litigation, the message is sent to the buyer. If you have a quality or quantity dispute, the message is sent to the dispositioner in an automatic way. The second step was to integrate a good data quality on this tool. So first, we start with a scanning solution, but some problems remaining due to poor quality of invoices, loss of invoices, and cost for archiving. The second step was to work with our partner bProcess by using their platform for our suppliers. I will explain more here. From SAP, we send purchase order to our suppliers. Our suppliers may send electronic invoices on the bProcess platform. They can send a PDF picture electronic or an EDI file format on the bProcess platform. bProcess will check legal and business data, the presence and the compliance of some data, like purchase order number, delivery note number, post item line number. If all the data are okay, the invoice is archived during 10 years for the customer and for the suppliers. But if we have some data missing or wrong data, the invoice is rejected to the suppliers for correction. So we are sure we have a high quality of invoice data directly integrated on the tool I spoke 1 minute ago to have an automatic booking, automatic payment of invoices. Today, we have more than 250 suppliers fully integrated with Eurocopter, for Eurocopter France, Spain, and Deutschland. And we have also 50 suppliers in test phase. The test phase, we put in compliance supplier invoices according our rules and according our PO cases we have with the suppliers. The reflection is ongoing to use the platform for Australia and USA. We improve our accounting solution thanks to our partner bProcess. We reduce time to introduce invoicing data in our system and to pay invoices. We improve the quality of invoice data because invoices are rejected to the suppliers if some data are missing or wrong. So supplier need to correct and to resend it on the bprocess platform. We removed paper invoices and replaced them by SAP direct integration in our system. No loss of invoices. We improve again the data quality of invoices because bprocess is able to add some information on invoices if the supplier can do it and if it's requested by Eurocopter. Our suppliers are satisfied in these win-win solutions because we removed the costs associated to the paper invoices. We give more visibility on treasury for suppliers, and we give more visibility on status on invoice. Suppliers are able to see on the bprocess platform invoices and status associated. If the invoice is sent to Eurocopter, is rejected by bprocess, or status from Eurocopter, if the invoice is good to pay, in progress, or in litigation with a comment. So before the due date, suppliers have access to this information from SAP via bprocess. EAD has chosen the same solution than Eurocopter. So now we have a common platform for our aeronautical suppliers. It's a good thing. To advise on my side, I think the main point of the successful of the project is the supplier deployment. So I think procurement must lead the project with the support of finance, tax, and IT department. The second advice is to use the same guy to put in compliance invoices during the test phase and for the support for suppliers when they are in production phase. It's a good way. So now we continue supplier deployment. We want to remove all paper invoices with the help with EADS. Now, more bigger than Eurocopter, they start the project and all is okay. That's all.